distancing. Quarantine, quarantine, wearing Lysol like sunscreen. Quarantine, quarantine, oh lonesome quarantine. All my anti-hunting buds are reaching out to me. I know your freezer stays stocked up. Can I get some fresh deer meat? Well, I hope your family's well. Hope them hands are clean. Any chance that you might have an extra AR-15? Quarantine, quarantine, drinking whiskey like vaccine. Waving at the neighbors, social distancing. Quarantine, quarantine, wearing Lysol like sunscreen. Quarantine, quarantine, oh lonesome quarantine. Shout out to the heroes fighting this disease. It's time to come together now as one society. But wait a minute.
Stop. I meant that in like a metaphorical sense, not a literal sense, because if it came together, that would be the antithesis of what quarantine means. But good thing we have FaceTime, because we can hang out and make dumb songs like this. And shout out to all the healthcare workers out there. And Tim, I really like that chorus. Let's hit that one more time.
Quarantine, quarantine, drinking whiskey like vaccine. Waving at the neighbors, social distancing. Quarantine, quarantine.